Don't you love those beautiful days when you and your family can enjoy the outdoors together? Unfortunately, mosquitoes can often ruin these pleasant moments. Some mosquitoes are not only annoying, the Aedes mosquito can also spread dangerous diseases like the Zika virus. This mosquito lays eggs in multiple tiny places of water that are hard to find or treat by pest management professionals. This makes it a real challenge to control this mosquito by conventional means. Unlike any other product available today, the In2Care trap uses this unique behavior to help keep your yard mosquito-free. The mosquito is attracted to the trap. When the mosquito visits the trap, she gets contaminated with the active ingredients. When she flies out, she spreads the active ingredients to all breeding sites that she visits next, also the places that are hard to find. This will effectively knock down the mosquito population in your yard. This unique and precise spot treatment reduces the amount of chemicals that would normally be sprayed in your yard. It does not harm humans, pets, or beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies. The In2Care trap provides a green solution which gives 24 hours a day protection against mosquitoes to you and your family.